To book an appointment, simply head on to the parluxegolf.com website and select Book Now. This will take you to our USchedule online booking system. If you're a returning user and have played here before, you would be required to sign in at this point before making your booking selections. Because we're a new user, we're going to demonstrate how a new user can go online and select an appointment time. So if you're a new user, you would come here and you select the service type that you would like, a bay rental or lessons. You'll see drop-down menus change depending on what you've selected up here above. If it's lessons, you'll see individual private lesson or semi-private lesson. In this case, we want to book a bay rental. You would choose the service type, so did you want a semi-private bay or a private executive bay rental? And you'll have descriptions of each here on the right. Private executive bay, you'll notice that there's two different bays. There's a bay 3 and bay 4. Bay 3 on the left-hand side depicts a couch, and bay 4 has the bar. So you make that selection here on which one you would like to choose. Then on Choose Service Time, you select the duration of time that you would like to play for. Please keep in mind it generally takes one person 1 hour to finish and complete an 18-hole round. So if you have 2 people, it'll generally take on average about 2 hours. Then you head on to the right side and you choose the date that you would like to play or make a reservation for. You can only make reservations up to 7 days if you are a non-member, and once we have memberships, it'll be longer. Then down below, you'll find available time slots based on the duration that you've chosen and the bay that you've chosen. If you don't see any time slots available, simply change the bay type, perhaps, and see if that's made any adjustments for you. Or at the top, change it to a semi-private bay if you're specifically wanting a specific date. Then from here, please keep in mind that we are open 24/7. As such, you'll find early morning hours available. So to select more daytime hours, just make sure that you show more results as a means to scroll down. So make a selection and move on to the next stage at booking service. Now again, because I'm not logged on, it's going to ask me, do you want to log in or create an account? As a new user, I would be required to create a new account for the very first time, after which I would just simply use my login credentials to log back in. So you click here to create a new user account. You select your first name, last name, cell phone, username that you would like to use for logins, email address, and your password, and you confirm your password. Once you've done all of this, you click on I'm not a robot, then you register. As a next step, you have to confirm your payment. If you've created an account before and asked to save the credit card, your credit card would be listed here as an option, so you wouldn't have to retype it again. If not, you'll have to enter the credit card information here. Simply add the card number, the month and year of the expiry date, and the CVV code at the back of your card. Once you've entered this information at the top, you're able to save your credit card info for future by selecting yes or no if you want to enter it each time. For me, I'm going to save it so that I have access to it next time. Then below here, you confirm your selection, what you're paying for. In this case, is a bay rental, private executive bay rental, and the date and time of your reservation. Make sure that is correct before moving on to the next step. If you have any coupon codes or a gift certificate code, you can enter those codes here upon checkout, and then you apply. Once you select apply, you'll notice the discounts will apply to your booking and reservation. Once you're done, you simply confirm and pay. This will take you to an order confirmation page, and that's the end of how you book. You will receive a confirmation email invoice for your purchase and with further details on how to access the venue. Thank you.